When it comes to the power pole, you know, at the end of the day, this is a super simple piece of equipment, but it does have a little bit of maintenance with it. But just like everything else on your boat, you want to make sure things are tight, just like your motor bolts. So moving over to the power pole, I mean, it just has 4 simple bolts that attach it to the bracket, and then 2 big bolts in my scenario here that attach it to the jack plate. I just want to make sure that those are tight. One thing you want to do, power pole recommends every 100 cycles or so, I usually do it twice a year, is basically check these bolts that go all the way up the power pole. If you ever notice that your power pole is loose and it seems really floppy, it's probably because these are the loose ones. But one thing you want to do is never over tighten them. It's something that you don't want to over tighten them. It just restricts the power pole as it wants to work, but you just want to make sure they're snug and not over tightened. Lastly, what we move into is just double checking the oil. You know, I'm just going to check the reservoir in here and make sure my oil's topped off, you know, almost to the top. But at the end of the day, I always like to keep this jug of extra oil in the boat, just like my big motor oil. Keep the oil right next to where it needs to be, so that way if it ever needs to be topped off, it's very easy to do.